I love the flavor of gingerbread, so let's make a recipe today that incorporates all those warm holiday spices. Stay tuned. Hi there, my name is Katrina. Welcome to the Organixx channel, where every week we get together in the kitchen and make delicious and nutritious recipes using real food and organic supplements. Today we're going to be making gingerbread spiced latte or tea. Begin by brewing 1/2 cup of strongly brewed coffee or 1/2 cup of green or black tea, and then set it aside. Now we're ready to make a homemade gingerbread syrup. You want to add 1/2 cup of either molasses or date syrup. I'm going to use date syrup, which is really just made out of dates and water. But if you would like to use a sugar-free version, you can substitute this with 1/4 cup of Lakanto and 1/4 cup of Lakanto maple syrup, which is made out of erythritol and monk fruit extract. Next, add in 1/2 cup of filtered water. Next, let's add in 1-inch piece of fresh ginger root that's been peeled and sliced up. This is probably a little bit more than 1 inch just because I love the flavor of ginger. And ginger is so good at supporting a healthy digestion. 8 whole cloves. Now, if you don't have fresh cloves and ginger, that's just fine. I'll give you the measurements of using dried at the end of the video, so make sure to watch till the end. 1 teaspoon of Ceylon cinnamon or 2 fresh cinnamon sticks. Over medium heat, heat your syrup until hot but not boiling, and then turn down the heat and gently simmer for about 5 minutes, stirring frequently so as not to burn. Strain your syrup through a sieve into a glass jar or container, and then stir in 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Set your syrup aside for now, and then in your blender we're going to add 3/4 cup of your favorite unsweetened nut, oat, or dairy milk. I'm using a combination of coconut and almond milk. 2 tablespoons of coconut cream, and since it's full of healthy fats, it will just help you feel full longer. Your strongly brewed coffee or tea, 2 tablespoons of your gingerbread syrup. So now obviously you're going to have leftover syrup, which is great because you can put it into a container in the refrigerator for up to a week and use it in oatmeal, on pancakes, or just make some more lattes. It's delicious. I'm going to go ahead and add 2. This last ingredient I'm going to add is optional. I'm going to add in 1 scoop of our Clean Source Collagens powder. You could do 2 scoops too if you wanted to. And this is so great in supporting a healthy digestion, hair, nails, teeth, skin, and joints. Blend up your ingredients until well incorporated and frothy. Okay, we are ready now to give this gingerbread spiced latte a taste. Wow, you guys, that is delicious. That is so good. I love the spices that come through. It's so warming, and it's pretty darn healthy, especially compared to what you would get at some other coffee shop. So make sure you make these recipes work for you. You can also garnish this with some cinnamon or cloves. Give this one a try. This one is a must. Thanks for being with me today. Hey, take great care of yourself, have fun in the kitchen, and remember to join me next week in the kitchen for another recipe. Take care. Bye-bye.